Okay, this video is to show you how to install the tempered glass. You'll get a package like this. Open up, you have a installation cleaning kit, a squeegee, and a tempered glass itself. If you notice, tempered glass comes in a little back plastic piece. Some of them doesn't come in this way. It comes in a little film. So it depends on the screen itself. Some screen comes in a film and some comes in a plastic. But they're both identical high quality tempered glass, just the manufacturer use different material on them. So first, open this. There's wet wipes. You can use that to clean. So just go around it, clean any residue on your screen. Then you can use a dry cloth to dry your screen. Then we also have this sticker thing to pick up any extra dust that's still on the screen. So that way you won't have any dust when you apply. Okay, so I'm ready to put the screen on now. You hold it like this, peel the back. Line up top earpiece area. Then don't let go of the screen right away. Try and push from the top. And then slowly move your way down. This way will take all the air out of the screen. And you can also use this squeegee just to push around. Now the screen is completely on it, super clear. Thanks for watching.